Hello friends, how to fix software problem? Mobicel Tango Lite, Mobicel X Pro, V4, Mobicel Trendy. It's free. This file it's for free download. It's I won't charge you any money for these files. You can download it from free. I'm gonna give you link on the description. So how you can fix it? You can open CM2 SPD tool 1.27. You can use it, or you can use SPD upgrade tool. Any version you can use. Open the back file, select the flash tab and open the select the firmware and remove the battery from the phone, insert it, hold the volume up button, click on flash. Yeah, phone is booting in flash mode. You can see that's how you can flash this phone. It's if you have problem with the Android stop, application stop, phone stuck on the boot, it's written there fast mode on the corner. You can fix those type of problem with this file. You can download it completely for free. So guys, once again, please subscribe my channel and thank you for your support. For this file, if you're having problem with the download or anything, if it's asking password, you can WhatsApp me. I will give you the password for free. I'm not gonna charge you for those files. It's free. These files are, you can see, if you go to internet, there's a lot of people are selling it, but I'm gonna give you for free. Thank you very much, guys, for supporting me. Thanks a lot. You will see this phone is flashing. It's flashing. Just wait for I think another 2 to 3 minutes. It will be done.